To use groups with your announcements, you will need to have your groups set up, then turn editing on. Turn on groups by clicking on the head icon. 2 spaced heads indicate separate groups, which means that the students will only see messages for their own groups. 2 close together heads means visible groups, which means students can access messages to other groups, but they'll only get the emails for their own group. Click on Announcements, and we've got some more options here. We can see all participants or participants by group. Let's send an announcement to Group B. Click Add a new topic, give it a subject, pop in your message, scroll down. Don't select Post a copy to all groups as it can be a bit spammy, and then click Post to Forum. Click Continue, and there we can see the message going to Group B. If we select all participants, we can see messages for all groups as a tutor.